Hi, I'm Frank Sweet. I lead the environment business line. I started my career in environmental consulting, and I've worked on lots of different types of projects, but one of my favorites is the remediation and restoration of urban waterways and waterfronts. These are complex projects, but they restore the environment and produce socially beneficial outcomes. To me, those projects are part of our sustainable legacy.
At AECOM, we contribute to ecosystem restoration through the Global and Collaborative Resilient Reefs Initiative. The initiative recognises the importance of coral reefs to broader ecosystem and community function and works with those communities to improve resilience to climate change and local threats.
To me, ecosystem restoration is crucial to delivering sustainable legacies because the development model as we know it today is leading us to major existential crises. Biodiversity and climate are common goods that we must preserve for future generations. I know that together we can make a difference.
Just like ecosystems of the world are interdependent, as should be our projects with the environment, communities and wildlife. Through sustainable legacies, we can contribute to infrastructure that enhances not only our way of life, but recognises our unique connections to nature, our respect for it and dependence on it to thrive. We want to challenge project teams everywhere to be creative in valuing ecosystems through our projects and designs.
The restoration of nature is crucial to delivering sustainable legacies because ecosystems like forests, soils and mangroves all absorb and store carbon dioxide. In my role in the corporate sustainability team, I'm investigating how AECOM can invest directly in restoring ecosystems to meet our 2030 net zero target.
The COVID-19 pandemic has caused widespread challenges felt across the globe. In order to create sustainable legacies, we need to do our best to ensure that these pandemics don't happen again. This is why the restoration of ecosystems and habitats is so important. Ecosystem degradation can lead to the emergence of novel pathogens and viruses that can cause another pandemic, such as the one that we've just experienced. I'm trying to do my bit by making small lifestyle changes, such as checking the labels of products and foods that I buy to ensure that they don't contain palm oil, as this can be one of the leading causes of deforestation.
To me, ecosystem restoration is crucial because it creates more resilient ecosystems, even in urban environments, by reducing air pollution, soil erosion and flood risk. I help by improving biodiversity in my garden through the planting of hedgerows and native species, allowing the grass and some weeds to grow, and by using peat-free compost.
Restoring ecosystems is crucial for delivering sustainable legacies because ecosystems are vital for supporting life on Earth, both now and in the future.
Ecosystem restoration is crucial to delivering sustainable legacies because global biodiversity depends upon healthy ecosystems and safe spaces to flourish. In my role at AECOM, I'm helping clients develop their own sustainability roadmaps that enable business to be a part of the solution.
Restoration of nature is a primary component of sustainable development programs because it improves biodiversity conservation and ecosystems, because it improves human livelihood, as well it empowers local people. This is one of the reasons why I'm trying to buy native fruits and veggies from local farmers.
Hi, I'm Robert Spencer, Head of ESG at AECOM Europe. Restoring natural systems and nature is absolutely vital to our sustainable legacy strategy. In fact, that's why we've invested in the Natural Capital Laboratory, a rewilding site up in the Highlands of Scotland, where we're looking at new techniques and assessment technologies for understanding how nature works and presenting that in an accessible and easy to understand way for decision makers to integrate natural systems much more effectively into their business decisions going forwards.